Welcome back, guys. So, under ClickFunnel tips and tricks area, our first script is to keep open the tabs by default. Alright. So, basically, this script you can use for your membership area. All the funnels which you have developed to deliver any kind of product inside the ClickFunnels membership area, what happens that by default all the tabs, these are basically the tabs. All right, so all you can see that by default all the tabs are right now completely closed. All right, so but if you have a less number of tabs inside your membership area, we recommend you should have open tabs by default. All right, so since this feature is by default not available on the ClickFunnels, but you may have that for the membership area, what you need to do is just copy the code from over here and navigate to your membership area editor. Right, click on the settings and navigate to tracking code, and under the footer section paste the code you have copy from the CF tips and tricks sections. All right, after just close this section and hit on the save button and just refresh this membership area. So what happens that now you can see that the all the tabs are inside the membership area is now by default open. All right, so now you can see that all the tabs inside the membership area is now open for everyone. All right, so basically we recommend to use the keep open tabs by default uh, if you have a less number of tabs inside your membership area. Since we are providing a huge value and we have multiple tabs inside our membership area, so right now we are not using this for Askmefunnels membership area. And to get back to the previous states, we have just removed the code, and here you can see that now you would be able to check that all the tabs inside this membership area are now closed by default. All right, so this was the first tricks which you can use to keep open the tabs by default in your ClickFunnels membership area. Basically, it's a few lines of JavaScript which helps you to enable the tabs open by default under the ClickFunnels membership area. Basically, this code was originally available on the cfprotools.com, and since it has more than 100 scripts available for the ClickFunnels platform, and right now we are working uh, to provide you the most used and highly convertible and most user experience positive user experience scripts for you over here under Ask Me Funnels membership. Right, so I hope you have liked the way how you can open tabs by default. If you have any question, or if you are looking for any kind of other scripts which you can think that it may be helpful for the ClickFunnels user, just contact me by hit on the need support button on the bottom corner and drop me a message. I would be really glad to help you out and answer all your queries. So in the next video we will talk about another tool, another tip, another script which we can use to make the better sales funnels. Thanks for watching this video.